Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 10th November 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Third edition of the Australind exercise has been organized in which city? Answer is Pune. The third India-Australia joint military exercise, codenamed Australind, organized at Pune in Maharashtra from 8th to 21st November 2024. This year, the contingent consists of 140 personnel from the Indian Army's Dogra Regiment and 14 personnel from the Indian Air Force. The second edition of the Australind exercise was held in Australia in December 2023. The first edition of the annual Australind exercise was held in 2022, and India and Australia alternatively host it. Question number 2. What is India's rank at the WIPO Global Patent Filings in 2023? Answer is India's rank 6th. India has, for the first time, has been ranked 6th in the world for global patent filings in 2023. According to the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO Annual World Intellectual Property Indicators Report 2024, released on 7th November 2024, global patent filing increased by 15.7% in 2023. In 2023, the maximum patent filing was in China, with 1.64 million patents, followed by the United States of America, with 518,364 patents, Japan, with 414,413 patents, South Korea, with 287,954 patents, Germany, with 133,053 patents, and India, with 64,480 patents. Question number 3. Which state became India's third to launch the statewide caste census? Answer is Telangana. Telangana government has launched statewide caste census on 6 November 2024. The survey aims to assess the social, economic, political, caste, and educational status of all households in the state. Telangana is the third state in India to conduct a caste-based census following Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Bihar was the first state to conduct a caste-based survey in India. The survey began on 7th January 2023. Question number 4. The first integrated check post along the India-Bhutan border was inaugurated at. Answer is Daranga. The first integrated check post along the India-Bhutan border was inaugurated at Daranga in Assam on 7th November 2024. Assam Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya inaugurated the Integrated Check Post (ICP) in presence of Prime Minister of Bhutan, Dasho Tshering Tobgay. ICP Daranga, sprawling across 14.5 acres and located about 700 meters from the India-Bhutan border. Question number 5. Who has won the FIH Male Player of the Year Award 2024? Answer is Harmanpreet Singh. Indian men's hockey team captain Harmanpreet Singh and former Indian goalkeeper PR Srijesh won the FIH Hockey Star Awards 2024. Harmanpreet Singh won his third FIH Player of the Year award in 2024, having won it in 2021 and 2022. Long-time Indian men's hockey team goalkeeper PR Srijesh won his third FIH Goalkeeper of the Year award. Question number 6. What is the name of India's Tri-Services military exercise launched along the Indian-China border in November 2024? Answer is Purvi Prahar. The Indian Army, Indian Air Force, and the Indian Navy have jointly commenced a command-level tri-service theatre exercise, codenamed Purvi Prahar, along the India-China border. The Purvi Prahar exercise has been organized from 10 to 18 November 2024. The exercise assumes significance in the Indian government's effort to set up an integrated theatre command in India. Question number 7. 83rd session of the Indian Roads Congress has been organized at which city? Answer is Raipur. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, inaugurated the 83rd session of the Indian Roads Congress at Raipur, Chhattisgarh, on 8 November 2024. The 83rd session of the Indian Road Congress, organized by the apex body of Indian Highway Engineers, will be held from 8 to 11 November 2024 at Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Based on the recommendation of the Jaikar Committee on Indian Road Development, the Indian Road Congress was constituted in 1934. Question number 8. Who has been named as Asia's International Players of the Year for 2023? Answer is Sun Heung-min. South Korea forward Sun Heung-min, 32-year-old, was named as Asia's International Player of the Year by Asian Football Confederation, AFC. Matilda's fullback and Australian player, Ellie Carpenter, who plays for French club Lyon, won the inaugural Asian International Women's Player of the Year award. Akram Afif, 27-year-old player from Qatar, was conferred with the AFC Player of the Year award for 2023. Question number 9. The third Panchkula Book Fair has been organized in which state? Answer is Haryana. Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has inaugurated the third Panchkula Book Fair in Panchkula, Haryana, on 4th November. This fair ran till 10th November. On this occasion, he also launched Sardar Patel Libraries, built in Arunai village of Kurukshetra district, Bara village in Karnal, and Madna Kalan village in Jhazar, through video conferencing. Question number 10. Who recently released his book, Speaking with Nature, The Origins of Indian Environmentalism? Answer is Ramchandra Guha. Renowned historian and public intellectual Ramchandra Guha is widely celebrated for his profound insights into Indian history and society, especially as the biographer of Mahatma Gandhi. His latest book, Speaking with Nature, The Origins of Indian Environmentalism, is a testament to his commitment to exploring India's unique ecological heritage. Question number 11. Who will become the first Indian origin Second Lady of America? Answer is Usha Chilukuri Vance. Indian-American lawyer Usha Chilukuri Vance will become the first Indian-American Second Lady of the United States. She is married to J.D. Vance, who will serve as the Vice President of the United States. This follows Donald Trump's win in the 2024 U.S. presidential election. Usha was born to Indian parents who moved from Andhra Pradesh to the US in 1986. Question number 12. Which country has launched the Trusted Tour Operator Scheme to boost tourism from India? Answer is South Africa. South Africa has introduced a new scheme called the Trusted Tour Operator Scheme, TTOS, to boost tourism from India and China. This initiative aims to increase job creation through higher tourist numbers. Indian tourists account for only 3.9% of all international visitors to South Africa, and China for only 1.8%. Question number 13. Who has been appointed as India's country manager of Visa? Answer is Rishi Chhabra. Visa has appointed Rishi Chhabra as India's country manager, where he will lead strategic initiatives, manage senior client relationships, and drive digital growth. He joined Visa in 2023 as VP and Head Merchant Services and Acquiring for India and the South Asia markets. Previously, he has held leadership positions in organizations like First Data and PayPal and has worked with JP Morgan and General Electric. Question number 14. President Draupadi Murmu was received a ceremonial Guard of Honor at. Answer is INS Hasa. On 7th November 2024, President Draupadi Murmu received a ceremonial Guard of Honor at INS Hasa, located in Dabolim, Goa, as part of her official visit to the naval base. INS Hasa serves as a significant naval airbase, and the Guard of Honor is a ceremonial tradition to honor the President's presence. Question number 15. Every year, World Science Day for Peace and Development is observed on. Answer is 10th November. World Science Day for Peace and Development is annually celebrated on 10th November to highlight the important role that science plays in society and the need to engage the wider public in debates on emerging scientific issues. The 2024 theme is Youth at the Forefront. World Science Day was proclaimed by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, in 2001 and celebrated for the first time in 2002. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.